Hey guys, what's up? So I am Sudakshana aka Tithi and I'm coming to you with my very first vlog. So let me just say, like, Kerala sun plus the beach vibes and a tan so epic you can see on my face has been a very great trip. So we, as in like me and my bestie, we had gone to Varkala and it was a very random trip planned by her. But anyways, I think we both needed it. The stress-free life from the city bustles, we just wanted to go away from it. So yes, we just thought of this trip and like this we planned it. It was a hectic trip though, but we really enjoyed every bit of it. But I thought of like vlogging this trip for you guys for the first time, and I just really wanted to do it, like, if not now then when. That's how I thought, so I'm doing it for the first time. So, just a little spoiler alert that the trip has been completely a mess for both of us, but it has also been very therapeutic because there was fun-filled laughter, adventure, food, and so much of traveling. So hence the trip was a successful one, and I think I'm going to vlog my other trips as well from next time. However, I'm not going to be a very like weekly vlogger. It's just whenever I'm going to go for a travel trip, I'm going to vlog it up and share it with you guys. Hope you guys like it and just like and share with people. It's just a trip where I'm going to give you what cafes and where you can eat and the places where you can just sit and relax, and the budget of the stay where I stayed, and also going to put them down into caption below for you all. So yeah, enjoy. Hi guys, what's up? So I don't know if I should disclose the place just right now, but yes, right now I am in my homestay where I and my best friend Ria, we are staying. We just got ready. It was like a hectic schedule for me since yesterday because I flew from Delhi to Bangalore, and then from there we took a bus and then reached today morning, which is like okay, now I'm forgetting the date. It's 30th November. But yeah, it was quite a hectic schedule for me, and I'm so sorry for the bad lighting here, even though my camera is clean. But anyways, I'll disclose the place later on. But the place where we are staying is called Kaskara Resort. It's a homestay, but they call it a resort, and I am looking forward to vlog this trip this time so that I remember it for the future. Look so tired right now, but yeah, it was a long queue to come to Jatayu Center, and it's like Saturday weekend, so hence it's a long queue. But I'll show you Jatayu ji, like the huge Jatayu, and yes, so many people. We came by ropeway, but that too also it took us like 3 hours to just come up. Hi guys, what's up? We're having tea at Jatayu Center. जटायु जी पीछे है, दर्शन उनके सिर्फ क्लोज दिख रहे हैं, बट यहाँ मैं और रिया ऑन टॉप चाय पी रहे हैं, जो खटने की कोशिश करके, बट मैं तब भी उसको लेके आऊँगी। and it is like morning 6 a.m. and I'm not a morning person, so मेरी शक्ल पर दिख रहा होगा. But yes, we are going to right now Munro Island for some boating and some other sports activity, I guess. But yeah, it's like I'm so sleepy. But anyways, okay, I should start cooking, otherwise Riya will kill me. And we are already late. So anyways, bye. I think Riya is taking a lot of pictures right now, and I am the person who is trying to handle the boat with this stick. So yeah. Hi guys, okay, my hair is all like in the air because it's really windy as well, but I guess you're happy to see my face, and if not, it's okay, I don't know. But yeah, to tell you where I am right now, I am right now in a place called Munro Island, and we were boating. So the lake's name is Ashamudi Lake, and it's an amazing place, so peaceful, so blissful. Like now we have stopped at a place to have some coffee, so it's just literally God's own country. I'll show you how blissful it looks like. The weather is amazing, and yes, I know I am savage, so I'll just show you how. There are some other people on the boat rowing to their other destination, but if you see behind me there, you can see a little bit of sun rays falling on the lake and all those shiny glitter on the sea, on the lake. My bad, yeah, I mean the Arabian Sea is also here. But besides that, okay, I think my friend, she didn't feel like be on the camera, and plus it's her birthday today, so hoping to do something special. But yes, do you see the beauty of the lake? I'm not able to show you like this, but let me just flip the cam. So yeah, I flipped the camera and now see the beauty of the lake. It's looking so amazing. Being in the middle of the nature, you do realize that yes, universe is there. I can gladly say that it is there. It is loving all of us and just taking care of all of us in some ways which we don't even know. So yeah, the spiritual guides, angels, whatever we all want to call gods, I'm loving this amazing view. It's like wow, it's like there's the heaven. So yeah, see, this is beautiful Munro Island. People are having their good time. It's Sunday. We'll also again ride this boat. This is our boat. However, we are not now sailing. We'll be sailing in some other time, in some few seconds. But yeah, till then I'm vlogging.